You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive the 2017 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control, security system, rear window defroster. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.